channel, Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are a returning friend, welcome back. I'm so happy to have every single one of you here. Today we are here for a Tuesday tag, and this is kind of a sad one, guys, because it's our last Halloween tag. But on to Thanksgiving and Christmas, so I guess I will just have to say goodbye to Halloween for this year. This tag was created by Sandy over at Let's Get Fit with Sandy. So big thanks to Sandy for keeping us in line with our tags. I really appreciate it. And then we were tagged by Roy over at Recipes with Roy. So big thanks to Roy for always thinking of us and keeping us involved. I will link both of their channels down below. So please make sure you go check out their answers. Make sure you show them some love and hit that subscribe button if for some crazy reason you're not already subscribed. You won't be disappointed. All right, Steve has the questions on his phone, so let's go ahead and get crack-a-lackin'.
Question number 1, what was your favorite Halloween costume?
The favorite Halloween costume that I've worn, you think?
I would assume.
I don't know. I think I had a jailbird costume that I liked, and I just wore this really creepy crow mask. It was like one of those full head coverings and then a jail suit, so I was a jailbird. I won a lot of prizes for that one. I like that one.
I think my dad let me wear his Old Navy uniform. So, I think that was pretty cool. Everybody kept calling me Popeye. Yep.
Alrighty.
Question number 2. If you could have a spooky Halloween pet, what would it be?
Ooh, the dog from Nightmare Before Christmas. Zero. I think that was his name. Because we used to have a little whippet named Lucky. And I got him because the lady that was walking him, I ran up to her and I was like, oh my gosh, he looks just like Zero. And she was like, you can have him. I was like, all right, don't think I won't take him. And that's when I was working. So I drove home from work and was like, babe, guess what I got?
Yeah.
He was a good dog too.
Jinx the cat from Hocus Pocus. That was his name, wasn't it? Jinx?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. He'd be cool to have.
Why? Because he can
Or
talk?
is it Binks? Thackeray Binks.
Yeah, it was Binks.
Binks, not Jinx.
Thackeray Binks.
Yeah, Binks, Thackeray Binks, yes. That's why I would want him.
Why?
Because he's cool. He can never die.
You want a cat underneath your feet for the rest of your life?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I think it'd be fun.
Perfect.
All right. Question 3. What Halloween candy do you hate the most?
Jawbreakers.
Why?
Because my brother choked on one when he was little, and I've got like this huge traumatic memory of my mom picking him up and running outside with him, and the neighbor having to do the Heimlich maneuver, and it was just terrifying. So, especially since I'm the one that hit him on the back and pushed him down the slide that made him choke.
Makes sense.
Good times.
Makes sense.
Don't tell anyone though.
Yeah.
Yeah. I was what? I mean, he was probably 2 when I was 4, so I mean, we were little, but I wanted my turn on the slide.
Apparently.
Well, happens.
Yeah.
Don't mess with me.
Mm-hmm.
I'll take you out, I guess. By Jawbreaker.
Jawbreakers, yes. I'm gonna say raisins. Yes, I count those as Halloween candy because people put them in my Halloween bag.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Yeah, don't like raisins. If it was actual candy, I would say Smarties. Not a big fan of Smarties. If I had to pick one, Smarties.
Oh.
All right. What Halloween treat do you like the most?
What's my favorite Halloween candy? I know I have one. Oh, I like the Fruitsies, the fruit flavored Tootsie Rolls. My kids know if they get those, they gotta share. I love those. I could eat those forever until I get sick. And I don't get sick very easy, so that means I could eat a lot. But I don't. But I could.
Reese's Peanut Butter Cups. Favorite. Kids owe me a Halloween tax every year, and they know it. If they get a peanut butter cup, for me to safely check their candy every year, they have to pay me a Reese's Peanut Butter Cup.
Yeah, he's one of those parents.
Yep.
Those parents.
Mm-hmm.
Kids are lucky they have one cool parent to make up for you.
Don't act all innocent in this situation. I know you're rummaging through their candy while I'm checking it looking for Fruitsies.
No.
Yes.
You hand it to me.
Uh-huh.
I don't have to. You do my dirty work for me.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, exactly.
Shush.
Mm-hmm. All right. When were you a...
Read the words. You can do it.
When you were
Nope, you can't. Try again.
When you were a kid, how long did Halloween candy last?
My Halloween candy? I don't honestly remember. I don't remember ever getting to keep my Halloween candy. Like, I don't know where my mom put it. So I don't know if she just gave us pieces or what. I don't know. That's weird.
Yeah.
Never thought about that before. I'm going to have to ask my mom where my Halloween candy went when I was a kid because I honestly don't remember ever keeping the bag of it anywhere.
She kept it from you, huh?
I don't know what she would have done with it, but you know my mom would not let me have a big giant bag of candy laying around in my room.
True.
So where did it go all those years? Maybe that's what's wrong with me. My mom didn't let me have my Halloween candy when I was a kid.
Could be. I usually had it whittled down to like the stuff I liked but really didn't like. Just usually about Thanksgiving. I was usually done about Thanksgiving. You know, you get down to the bottom and, you know, you've got like 1,000 grand bar or Smarties or those little cheap hard candies that, you know, some people would give that it's like, yeah, they're good, but they're not as good as, you know, Reese's peanut butter cups or Almond Joys or Butterfinger bars and that kind of stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Yep. All right. As an adult, did you ever steal your child's Halloween candy?
Yep.
Yes. Guilty as charged.
Yep.
Yep. Do you hand out your favorite candy or candy you don't like? Or cheapest candy?
Well, my kids are just getting to the point where we're going to stay home and pass out candy instead of trick-or-treating, so I don't know.
Yeah.
I guess I will let my kids pick out whatever candy they want to hand out, and we'll hand that out. I'm not really worried about the price. I mean, we're not doing full-size candy bars, but I don't imagine it'd be too expensive.
I mean, honestly, where we live, we could probably get away with doing full bars. I don't know if we're going to get a whole lot of people here. True. All right.
I had the answer for you too, or can you come up with an answer of your own?
Well, that was my answer.
That was my answer. Are you mooching?
Yes. I said full bars. Stay here and pass out full bars. That was my answer.
And I said we're not doing that.
That's my own answer.
Wrong. Wrong.
Next question.
Wrong.
Number 8. How old were you when you saw your first scary movie? I'm going to expand in what was it?
9, and it was Beetlejuice.
Really?
But I made myself fall asleep, so I couldn't watch it. I was at a slumber party.
Wow.
My friend Chrissy's. And I had to lay in the middle of the floor right in front of the TV.
Jeez.
Yeah, I was terrified. I didn't even make it to the intro.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Yep.
Huh. My brother and I used to stay up. My parents would be watching it out in the living room. We'd be back. We'd just wait for that one part when he's standing by the tree and kicks it over and says nice beep and model.
Yep.
And then we'd grab his crotch and make the honking sound. Yeah. And we'd start laughing, and of course Mom and Dad would yell at us to go to bed. But we would literally just wait until that part. I mean, we'd go to bed at like 9 o'clock, and that was probably like 45, 50 minutes into the movie. And we'd wait for it.
Awesome.
Yeah. But that wasn't my first scary movie.
Okay.
My very first scary movie was Halloween. And I think I was 6 or 7, and I watched it over at my aunt's house.
I've never seen any of those. Still. Not that I don't want, well, I don't want to see them now. I don't really have a lot of interest, but.
Yeah, it was a double feature that night. It was Halloween and then The Town That Dreaded Sundown. Yeah.
Fancy.
Yep. All right. Number 9. Do you decorate either outside or inside your house for Halloween?
A little bit of both. Steve used to be really good about decorating outside for Halloween. Like the kids would all come down to look at our house and stuff, but he's gotten lazy in his old age, so we don't get a whole lot.
Just cranky.
Both.
Oh yeah, okay, both. That's fine.
Told you. I win.
Cranky and lazy. All right, 10. Last one. No bonus one this time. 10. What are you going to be for Halloween this year?
Linda Belcher from Bob's Burgers.
Bob from Bob's Burgers.
Yeah. Guess what our kids are going to be?
The Simpsons?
Yep.
That's what I thought. All right.
Funny.
That is it.
Very cool. That was a fun tag.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah, definitely. Thank you, Roy and Sandy. I
Yes,
appreciate
thank
it.
you. Thank you. Thank you.
So who should we tag this week? I'm going to tag definitely Suzy and Mr. Eye Candy if they're feeling up to it. I will link their channel down below.
I don't have anybody.
Okay, and then I'll tag Mary over at Mary Gets Fit. I will link her channel down below too. So guys, tag your it if you're up for it. And also, because I'm usually one of the last ones joining the game, or to the game, or however normal people say that I just did not say. Feel free to leave your answers down below. If you have a YouTube channel and you decide to do this tag, let me know and I will link your channel down below as well. All right, guys, we gotta go. I mean, in case you haven't noticed, the Chaoses are just a little bit tired on this fancy Monday evening. So we've got to get the dinner thing done, and I need to have some discussions with my children about cleaning up after themselves. So fun stuff. But anyways, if you haven't already, if you'll give this video a thumbs up, we would truly appreciate it. It really helps to communicate to YouTube that you guys are enjoying my videos and encourages them to promote them so that we can continue to grow our YouTube family. Guys, I did announce my 850 subscriber giveaway on Sunday evening. So if you have not entered that, I will link it down below. Please make sure you stop by and check it out. And we are, oh my goodness. So we are only 34 subscribers away from the 900 subscriber giveaway. Guys, my goal is to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So if you know, if you're not subscribed, if you consider hitting that button. And if you know anybody else who might enjoy our content, I would truly appreciate you sharing our channel. And I will quit begging for your subscriptions and let you go. Love you guys. I hope you all have a fantastic day. And we will see you next week for our first Not Halloween tag in a while. Bye, guys. Bye. Now we have to say a happy bye, just so we don't leave them on a bad note.
Okay.
Bye, guys. Bye.